Huh. Fuck it. That is a big dog. How does a dog even get that big? Looks like the rain cleared up. Well, pretty nice spot here. What the fuck? Alright, I'm gonna touch it. Oh my god. What the hell? Hey, man. Remember me? You mind turning your music off for a second? Sure, but what is this and why are you me? Oh, lots of questions for a guy who just got sentenced to eternal damnation. Yeah, well, I'm kind of frightened. Why am I even here? Is this all because I touched the box? Because you touched the box, exactly. So, yeah, this is my, or our, hellscape, and I am a reflection of all of your fears. But it doesn't really seem like you're supposed to be here. So, we got two options. I can either ask the boss to return you back to reality, which he might not take too kindly to, or I can send you to this cool, chill, liminal space where you do nothing for an eternity. Well, I think I'd like to see my family again. Then it's decided. I think this will be a great fit for you. Well, I guess this is better than eternal damnation. And it's not even raining. Okay. At least I have you, Mr. Tree. That's right.